शर्म क्या करना चाहिए सोच। United Nations Forum on Forest. United Nations Forum operate under the guidance of United Nations framework to integrate forest policy with climate change. So that is not true. The forum meet annually to discuss the progress of the synchronization effect. So this is about the United Nations for Integrated Approach Forest Conservation. Does not operate under the UNFC. While it collaborates on issues related to the forest climate change, it remains separate entity under the ECO. Okay, and it does not operate under the UNFC. It does not operate under the UNFC. The forum does indeed meet annually to assess the progress, enhance the coordination, international national entity on the sustainable management and stable creating October by United Nations Economic and Social Council to promote the management, conservation, sustainable development and policy development, promote the policy and monitoring assessment, monitor the assess implementation, international cooperation. Policy was formulate and promote the policy and recommendation on the forest management and monitoring and assessment, monitors the implementation of the forest related agreement and policies. Increase the forest, enhance the forest based benefit, protect the forest and mobilize the resources. Recently joined military exercise Shakti. So Shakti was between the India and the France. Shakti is a biennial exercise conducted in India. It is exercise from the Rajput Regiment, 13 Legion of the Half Brigades and 7 edition of the exercise in the Meghalaya. The Memory of World Asia Pacific Region UNESCO literary work. The Ramcharitramanas and Panchatantra are the first India entity to the regional register. These nominations were advocated by the Indira Gandhi Art during the 10th meeting of the Memory of the World Committee Asia and Pacific. So this is first is not true, but second one is true. It is aimed to preserve, provide the access to the documentary, to protect, make the accessible important documentary for Asia Pacific, document with significant impact and history, culture, social development. Rare, unique documents are not widely available, but because it implies that these were the first India entry ever, but actually significant entry inception of register. It played a crucial role in advocating for the inclusion of this work during the 10th meeting. Recently, hepatitis A virus, which is statement hepatitis A is primarily transmitted through the consumption of the contaminated food and water. Contaminated food and water. So hepatitis is acute liver infection, and it is basically because of the liver infection. And B and C hepatitis A does not chronic liver disease, and it's rarely fatal. It is primarily transmitted through the injection of the food and water contamination, and there is an effective vaccine available for the A also. So these are true, but unlike the hepatitis B and C, A does not cause chronic liver disease. Okay, it do not contain any liver disease. Next, recently significant regarding the solar storm. So solar storm can be disrupt satellite operation, GPS and the power grid Earth. So that is true actually. It can disrupt. Solar storm are the cause the interaction between Earth magnetic field and the solar wind, primarily the coronal mass ejection or high speed solar wind stream emanating to the sun. The effect of solar storm extend beyond the Earth atmosphere and can be impact the geological system. The solar storm was enhance the effectiveness of the solar panel instead they because the disruption This storm can be cause significant disruption in the range of the critical infra Earth. Recently, Grande Prairies forest that was in Canada, so situated in the Peace River region of the Alberta, encompassing around the city of the Grande Prairie. The forest is home to the various tree species including the white spruce, black spruce, and balsam poplar. It supports a rich diversity. Forestry is a major industry in the Grande Prairie with the activating logging up and flora and fauna. The forest is home to a variety of the tree species including the white spruce, black spruce. Forestry is major industry in the Grande Prairie forest and activities including logging, pulp and the paper. Next one is consider the regulatory sandbox. Regulatory sandbox follow the testing of the innovation in the control environment, and the first formal sandbox was established Financial Conduct Authority, and regulatory sandbox is limited to financial sector as per the RBI and SEBI. Regulatory sandbox provide a control environment and innovation can be tested under the oversight of regulatory body. So this one correct. First regulatory sandbox was Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, and here it was given it was in the India, so that is wrong. It is in the UK. Okay, and next, while the financial regulator RBI and SEBI have adopted the concept beyond the finance into other sectors such as telecommunication and innovative technology in the Karnataka. So that was innovative limited to the financial sector. It's not true. It is explored with the financial sector and expanded beyond the finance into the telecommunication and innovative technology. Next, extrapulmonary tuberculosis. It does not produce a positive result. The TB stain test. The most cases also involve pulmonary TB. This index TB guidance for the management in India were formulated with the contribution of various national health institutions and WHO. So, TB is an infectious disease caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. While TB most commonly affect the lung and leading the pulmonary TB, it can also be spread body, resulting EPTB. EPTB is the extrapulmonary tuberculosis. If it's gone in the lungs, then it will become the extrapulmonary tuberculosis. It is characterized by the TB infection occurring outside of the lung, including areas such as the lymph node, brain and bone. Due to its diverse presentation, it is often not detectable. Unlike the pulmonary TB, does not always involve in the lungs. Many cases exclusively are extrapulmonary without concurrently pulmonary involvement. So this is wrong. And index TB guidance were indeed developed through the collaboration between various health experts, WHO and the coherent institute of the disease and the group. So third is also true. So here 2 is true. So most extrapulmonary TB cases also involve concurrent pulmonary TB. That is wrong. It is not necessarily it involve concurrent TB cases. Okay. Next one is feature of the NISAR satellite. So the S-band payload has been made by the US and L-band was ISRO. That is not true. So this L-band by the USA and S-band by the ISRO. It can completely map 14 to 15 days and capable of monitoring the vegetation cover and the snow cover. That is true. So NISAR is NASA ISRO radar mission projection between developed to the data frequency was it is paced to the facilitate the exploring how shift earth and forest wetland ecosystem impacts. NISAR is a system with comprehensive scale the earth and marking the first time two agencies have cooperated in the development. NASA ISRO was between to develop dual frequency operator radar, and this was it is poised to facilitate the exploration how earth, forest and wetland impact the global carbon cycle, and this was advanced radar system will be comprehensively earth land 14-15 days, and that can be measure water body and accurately it can look at the water staging on the earth. It can measure the water body and accurately it can be the stressing earth whenever there is a deficiency. It can ground penetrate to certain depth and monitoring the vegetation. Therefore basically look at the whole of the earth in the term of the surface, water, greenery and all. It gives full coverage to the earth. NISAR is a mission will provide in-depth insight into two crucial ecosystems. NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory and data gathered enabled to the fundamental, and this was highly enabled to on the evolving the earth. Now next one is the regarding the National Disaster Response Force. It is statutory 2005. It can deploy the foreign soil to in case of emergency. It is with the Yokohama strategy and the Hyogo framework. So it is Indian specialized force constituted for the purpose of special response to threatening disaster situation, and a statutory body for the disaster. It apex body for disaster in India for National Disaster Management Authority. Yokohama and the Hyogo framework was given to the Prime Minister and nodal ministry in the central government management of natural disaster and Ministry of Home Affairs. And the responsibility was disaster India state government calamity of the severe nature. So two framework is there, and that framework was basically the Yago National Disaster Management Authority, that is 2005 first thing, and Ministry of Home Affairs, and two strategy Yokohama and the Hyogo framework. First is the Hyogo framework and second one is the Yokohama framework. These two frameworks are with the disaster management. Okay, and nodal ministry we know. Next one is, and it is armed forces, central paramilitary and national disaster response force, all are working to communicate to the each other. Next, which is the following World Intellectual Property Organization. It is facilitate the international collaboration by helping to the harmonize national intellectual property legislation. So that was the national and intellectual property legislation. So the final negotiation on the proposed treaty is relating to the intellectual property and traditional knowledge, genetical resources at the World Intellectual Property Organization, Geneva. WIPO, specialized agency of the United Nations, aimed to facilitate the international collaboration in the field of intellectual property, harmonizing the IP legislation and enhancing cooperation IP system. So WIPO is working as specialized agency for the UN, and that is collaboration for the intellectual assist in the harmonizing the IP for the legislation and the policies. WIPO is not a regional organization but a global one. So WIPO is not a regional organization, it is a global organization. WIPO does not provide loan for technological infra, but it focuses on administration, international treaties and technical assistance to the capacity building program. WIPO is not limited to European Union, and it is a global organization involved all over the world for operate under the US system. So there was a WIPO intellectual property organization. WIPO facilitated international cooperation helping to harmonize national intellectual, but WIPO is primarily regional, that is not true. WIPO main function provide loans, that is also not true. And WIPO is further not limited to the EU, it is global organization. Okay, next one is consider about the Mediation Act of 2000. The Mediation Act provides for the online platform community meditation, and the act mandate that meditation must have a 15 years professional experience. So both are actually true, and meditation is a transformation towards alternative dispute resolution. It's a mediation actually, sorry. So Mediation Act was 2023, that was tried for the online platform community mediation, and court annexed the mediation as a formalized method for the dispute resolution. And act was the mandates that mediators must have at least 15 years of the professional experience in their field before they can qualify to practice as mediators. So there was a notified the promise for transformative shift towards the alternative dispute resolution. It has been instrument formalizing various mediation including online community mediation, court annexed mediation, aiming to facilitate amicable settlement of this approach is part of the broader strategy and judiciary by providing alternative efficient dispute resolution. So criteria is set to ensure the mediator bring a substantial understanding about the perspective, and which is crucial for guiding the disrupting parties toward the resolution. Now next one is, first is Alag committee, then Lakadwala committee, then Tendulkar committee, and last is Rangarajan committee. So Alag, Lakadwala, Tendulkar, and then Rangarajan committee. So planning commission appointed a Alag committee, that was 1977. The committee submitted report 79. and this committee used the calorie as a criteria. For rural area 2400 and for urban area 2100, and that was Alag committee. Lakadwala committee was in 1989 and appointed T.D. Lakadwala. The committee submitted report 93. So it came in 89, submitted 93, and this for the poverty line. And Alag committee method is different from Lakadwala. It declared the separate poverty lines, and the committee used the uniform recall periods and measurement of the poverty between 97 to 2001 11. And Tendulkar committee, that was in 2005, appointed Suresh Tendulkar, and report given in 2009. And it was रूरल एरिया में जो 61 राउंड ऑफ द मतलब जितना दैट इज़ रेट 446 दे आर कंज्यूमिंग, एंड फॉर अर्बन एरिया 578, एंड 673 फॉर द रूरल एरिया, 860 रुपीज़ फॉर द अर्बन एरिया पर ईयर 2009 to 2010, 673, 860, 446 and 578. So Rangarajan committee was appointed under to measure the poverty in the country. So it was measuring rather measuring calories, it was measuring food, health, education, clothing and all that in a single basket. And next Rangarajan committee, that was to measure the poverty in the country in 2012, and this committee was using the Lakadwala committee method, and rural के लिए 2155 calorie and for urban 2090 calorie. Okay, it used the separate poverty line for the separate 2155 and 2090, and that was the Rangarajan committee. Next, consider about the semal tree of Bombyx. The semal tree is also known the locally silk cotton. The semal tree is not recognized as being medicinal value, and the cutting semal tree violates the Conservation Act. So only two is true, but semal tree is a locally and a silk. Semal tree ecologically recognized the various medicinal properties, so two is wrong. And it is in the if we are cutting the semal tree, that means we are violating the Forest Conservation Act of 1980. Recently, Chabar Port, it is located near to the Gulf of Oman. Okay, so Chabar Port is one of the important port of the Iran and located at Gulf of Oman. And with this, India can bypass the Pakistan transporting goods to the Afghanistan. It will also boost the India's access to the Iran north-south transport corridor that has sea, rail and roads. So it also helped India center the Chinese presence in the Arabian Sea. This will China is trying to ensure the helping. And Pakistan developed the Gwadar port, and Gwadar port is less than 400 kilometers from the Chabar port. And from the diplomatic perspective, Chabar port could be used as a point from which humanitarian operation could be coordinated. So you can see this is Kabul, Iran, Pakistan and Afghanistan, and here is this one is a Kabul, and this one is a Chabar port, and this is a Gwadar port of the Pakistan, and it is Mumbai and Mumbai to Chabar port, that is in Iran, and there is a route. It's almost 72 kilometers Chabar Gwadar port from India. Recently, Alliance National Human Rights Institution, it is oversee the accreditation national human right to ensure meet the certain standards. Okay, so that is recently development has seen the differing the accreditation of the Indian national human right. This network of the National Human Rights Institution aims to promote and strengthen the worldwide. The Global Alliance National Human Rights Institution play a crucial role, and it was oversee the accreditation and Paris Principle concerning their independence and effectiveness. And this is authority enforce human right law within the country, nor does it play direct role in UN Human Rights Council. That is not wrong. That is not right actually. With reference to the interim bail, so it is granted for a very short period of the time awaiting hearing of their application for regular bail. Interim bail is granted after the court has conducted a full trial of matter concerning. So this is not full trial actually. Interim bail is not granted after a full trial. It is a preliminary assessment and is typically time bound. So it's expired on day of the court schedule for a detailed hearing. So it is a temporary relief given to the accused before the regular bail applicable. Next is Consider about the dust storms. So dust storms are the common in the arid and semi-arid area, lifting loose dust and the sand from the ground. The Sahara Desert is the largest source of the mineral dust, which is affect climate pattern globally by the transporting mineral across the continent. Frequent and intense dust storm can lead to the significant topsoil loss, negatively impacting the productivity of the ecosystem. So, dust storm is a meteorological phenomena, and strong wind or find the particle dust reducing the visibility arise in the region with sparse vegetation, loose surface, and the Sahara Desert is noted for the producing most extensive dust storm, which is sediment to the Amazon basin. So these storms can remove significantly topsoil and this reducing the agriculture yield also. This is challenge critical as it affect the food security and ecosystem. Next, consider about the aurora. The interaction of Earth's magnetic field charged particle from the sun causes the aurora. Aurora borealis and australis. And Polaris are the two main. No, Australis, not Polaris. It's wrong. The temperature of the Earth atmosphere and the amount of the cloud cover in the sky determine the color of the aurora. Yes, and green is most common color. That is not true. So only two is true. Aurora is the polar lights. Northern, southern lights are natural light display, particularly polar region. And this interaction of the Earth magnetic charge particle with the sun, magnetosphere. There are two main aurora, that is aurora borealis and australis. The northern light are visible the northern hemisphere, and aurora take place variety of the colors: red, green, blue, purple. The color determining type of the Earth atmosphere gas. Green is most common color of the aurora. Okay, so green is most common color, but here green is most common. That is actually true, but temperature of the Earth is amount of the cloud. That is not about the colors. Gas kaun si hai? It depends on the gas and interaction between the Earth, and that is reason of the color, not the clouds cover and all that. Okay, so the reason being as a color, the aurora can be a variety of the colors including green, red and blue, and this color determined with the gas in the Earth atmosphere, not with the clouds. Okay, so this all about the aurora. You can see this is the aurora, and aurora can be visible from lower latitude, and display can be more intense and long lasting. Recently, the Churdar Valley is a news that was in Himachal Pradesh. So the Churdar Valley is a Sirmaur district of the, and that was approximately 3647 meter. Churdar Peak is rich flora and the fauna including Devdar, oak and rhododendron forest. Weather variety cool to cold. Next is Delhi Ridge. The ridge of this are part of the ancient Aravalli. Over the last 5 years, the rate of encroachment of Delhi Ridge has been decreased compared to previous. That is not true. Delhi Ridge is often referred as the green lungs of the national capital. So Delhi Ridge is forming the tail end of the ancient Aravalli, and multiple states including Delhi, Haryana, Rajasthan, Gujarat. It is non-extensive forest cover of Delhi Ridge play a role in maintaining ecological balance, and the report highlighting that speed of removing the encroachment is slow, but the total enclosed area increased 91 hectare. And this is, you can see, this is the Delhi Ridge, is northern ridge, is central ridge, southern ridge, south central ridge, which is following the Cano habitus allegiance. This genome neural wiring is allegiance have been fully sequenced and mapped, making it a crucial model in the genetic study. So this habitus allegiance is referred to simply the worm, and was the first multicellular organism for the genome sequencing. Now next one is, and you can see this is body, and now ring, and this just spermatia, tail and intestine, pharynx. So this is diagram of the Caron habitus allegiance that referred to the simply the worm. It's a worm, and this is just showing the genome sequencing. It's a multicellular organism, and worm is not single celled, but it's a plant genetic for the botany. You can study about. Now the Justice Brojendra Prasad Kakate panel, and it is for environment damage from the rate hole mining. So this Justice In the Meghalaya, there was a National Green Tribunal which was focused addressing the environment harmed by the red hole mining, and this is panel have been highlighting the name is Justice Brojendra Kaka Katake Prasad, and that focus on the justice for addressing the environment damage by the red hole mining. You can see they are doing red hole mining, and this child is sitting here and suffering from community due to the environment issue, and acid mine drainage is also there. Now consider about regarding the Scotland. So Scotland is located entirely to the North England, sharing its only land border with the England, and that is actually wrong. And the highest peak of the Scotland is Ben Nevis, and 790 Iceland's main group was the inner outer Hebrides. So all of three there is a true actually, and it is showing the border with the UK only, England only. So that is actually true. That is not wrong. So the Scottish National Party was the John Sheene, and that was the sworn at a first minister of the Scotland. Hamza Yusuf resignation हो गया था यहाँ पे. Then Yusuf had ended the Bute House power sharing agreement with the Scottish Green and party decision to scrape the climate target. Scotland occupied the northern third of the Iceland of the Great Britain, and the landscape is characterized by the combination of the mountainous highland and the multiple of Iceland, making it distinctly diverse in the term of the geology and topology. So this is located the mountain range with the Scottish Iceland. Next one is with reference to the free trade agreement, and it is a pact between the two or more nations to reduce the barrier. The concept of free trade agreement is complementary to the trade protectionism of economical trade protectionism. That is not true. It is between the two or more nations for reduce the barrier, and the concept of free trade is complementary to trade protectionism. So trade protectionism तो नहीं होता है ये, ठीक है. So this is wrong. So this is between two or more nations. They are reduce the barriers, and under this free trade, goods and services can be bought and sold across the international border with little or no tariffs. And concept of free trade is opposite to the trade protectionism. And after India opted of the regional comprehensive economical partnership, and a 15 member is in that partnership, and this regional partnership in 2019. So FTA grouping that include the Japan, China, and Australia. But came the announcement of India, European Union talk with the head would resume. Both the sides engaged with the internal preparation, bilateral trade agreements, and United Nations Emirates and the United Kingdom. Agreement with was close to the finalization of the Australia as a very advanced stage. Comprehensive economic partnership like cooperation partnership CECPA, and South Asia preferring trading SAFTA, and South Asia Free Trade Area, that was SAFTA, is a free trade confined to the goods excluding all service like information technology. Reducing the purchasing power, increase the nominal interest rates, and the correct the account of the debtors due to the increased import prices. So this was the impact of the associated with the inflation. If there is a inflation, that means reduce the purchasing power, increase the nominal interest rate, and the current account deteriorates due to the increased import prices. So inflation refer to the rate at which the general level of price goods and service rise, leading to the decrease in the purchasing power. Inflation increase the value of the currency and goods and service. It responds to inflation. Several banks often raise the nominal rates, and high inflation typically lead to the higher price for imported goods and worsening the current account or more currently imports. So inflation refer to the rate at which general price level is arising, and inflation increases the value of the currency. Decline होती है तो sorry. The response of inflation, central bank often raise the nominal interest rates. High inflation typically leads to the higher price for the imported goods, and demand pull inflation, that is because of the demand in the market, and cost pull because of the cost of the production due to its higher and it increased. And these two type of the inflation is there. Now next one is consider the following about the societal segment: women, scheduled tribes, caste, and educationally backward classes. All four are comes under the article 15. Okay, so Article 15 is provides the prohibition of the discrimination, religion, race, caste, sex, and place of birth. The word only means the discrimination from other ground not prohibited, and no citizen shall be subjected to any disability, liability, or restriction on the ground of the regard. Assessing the shop, hotels, and public restaurants. So there are some exceptions with regard to the non-discrimination. The state is permitted to make any special provision. The state permitted to make any special provision socially and educationally backward classes. And one more provision, 93rd Amendment, is state empowered to make any special provision for socially and educationally backward classes and regarding their admission in education institution. Recently, Cook Island, that was in Pacific Island. So Cook Island is in South Pacific. It is in the South Pacific Ocean. Cook Island is a free association with the New Zealand, which is means to exercise the internal self-governance, and New Zealand responsible for defense conduct of the foreign affairs. So you can see the Cook Island, this one Oceania, and this Pacific Island. Now recently flood variant was news. It is related to that was the COVID-19 and the flood variant. And variant is basically the origin of the variant is descendant of Omicron, and there was Omicron, and in similar term there was a flood variant. And geographical spread in India, that was Maharashtra, Odisha, Goa. It was detected. Prevalence KP2 is a more dominant, consulting about 25% new cases in US. Symptoms similar to the Omicron and variant, and increase the immunity evasion. Researchers have significantly immunity resistant, even bypassing updated monovariant vaccine natural immunity infection. Ongoing research study continue to assess the full extent of the immune evasion. So this is all.